If touching you's gonna make me easy, that's okay, cause I don't want space. Not saying enough's gonna make you leave me. I swear to God that I'll talk all day. You never needed anybody, but now you need me. I was the same, but things have changed. I'm needy. I'm needy. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Wes Plays Guitar Lessons. This is How to Play Needy by Kelsea Ballerini. It's a really cool song and it's super easy. So yeah, I'm going to show you a couple ways to play it and stuff, so make sure you watch through the whole video. Also, please, if you enjoy it, let me know what other songs you want to learn, and just let me know that you enjoy it in the comments. I mean, I really appreciate it when you guys are giving me some positive feedback and stuff. So if there's other country songs you want to learn, let me know. I'll get to them as best I can. This was a song that was requested, so I'll get to those ones as well if you request them. All right? So Capo on the 3rd fret. You're only going to use 3 chords for this song, okay? So what you're going to do is, I'll walk you through the beginning, but the 3 chords that you're going to use for this song, you're going to use C, okay, and then G. I use this G because it's just easy to go from C to G like that, okay? So C, G, and then F. And I've had some people say, like, hey, bar chords are hard for me. Don't play it like a bar chord then, okay? This is a really simple way to do it because it was hard for me when I was learning to play, okay? So instead of barring the whole thing, because that's hard for some people, just play it like a power chord. So just do your pointer finger on the 1st fret there, if you can see that, okay? And then do ring finger on the 3rd fret, all right? On the, this is in relation to the capo, but on the A string, and then pinky finger on the 3rd fret on the D string, okay? And you just don't play the bottom ones down there, because that's how you should do it, but if you can't bar it, just play the top 3 ones mainly, okay? Okay, just like that. And that's not ideal, but it's better, okay? So that's the way you can do it. So you remember, you're just gonna do C, G, F, okay? So you're gonna go down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, so that's the strumming pattern for the most of it, okay? And now the chord progression is just that C, G, F, okay? So the way you're gonna start with the intro is you're gonna do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you do C, G, F, and again, down, up, 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 okay? So you're just gonna do that for most of it, okay? Now you're gonna do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's the timing of it, okay? Down, up, switch, switch, okay? C, G, F. And I'm just doing the same down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? So what you're gonna do is, then you're gonna play that twice and then go into the verse. So you're gonna do, it's like my Fridays all alone. Okay, so, sorry, I like my Fridays all alone, okay? I'm gonna walk you through for the first verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus, where you play the chords and the bridge as well, okay? Just so you have like the timing of it down. All right, so you're gonna do, I like is C, I like my Fridays all, okay, all is G, all alone, okay, so alone is F, alone, with is C, with no reason to check is G, check my phone, okay, so check my phone is F, my friends is C, friends are out, and I think is G, and I think nothing of it, so nothing is F, content is C, content with myself on my own, with myself, so content to C, with myself on my own. Own is F, okay? So G is myself, okay? And then on my own is F. Okay, and then for the pre-chorus, you're gonna do, again, same thing, when I look, okay? Look at C, look in your eyes, okay? When I look in your eyes, okay, like that. So you're gonna do, okay, so when I look is C, when I look in your eyes is G, like kind of like after eyes is G, eyes every day is F. Every night I think about you, okay, you is C, you all the time, Okay, then after time, right between time and yeah, you're gonna do G. Time, yeah, you. Okay, it's the same strumming pattern, remember? You got me like, who am I? Okay, and you're gonna go, aha, yeah, with no strumming, okay? Aha, yeah. All right, then you're gonna go back into it. If touching you's, okay, so that's how you play the first verse and and the pre-chorus. Then you're gonna go into, okay, you're gonna do the chorus. If touching you's, okay, so it's the same chord progression, remember, but it's if touching you's gonna make me easy. So you're doing a touching a C. If touching you's gonna make is G, make me easy. E is F. That's okay, so that's is C. That's okay. Let's see, where was I? That's okay, cause I don't is G. Don't want space. Space is F. Space. Not saying a C, not saying enough's gonna make you, so make is G, gonna make you leave is F, leave. I swear, okay, I swear is C, I swear to God that I'll talk, okay, talk is G, talk all day is F. So then what you're gonna do is stay on day and play stay on F after day. And you're gonna go, you never needed a C, needed anybody, but now is G. Now you need is F, need me. I was okay is C, was the same, but things is G, things have changed. Okay, so changed is F, changed. I'm needy. Okay, then this is where it changes and you goes. So it's the same timing, but you're just doing down. Okay, so you're just doing down, down, down. I'm needy. I'm needy. Okay, and then you're just gonna go back into it. So at the end of it, for those I'm needies, you're just gonna play you're just gonna do just like that, okay? C, F, G. I'm needy. C, F, G. Okay, just like that. Now, we're almost through the song, so just stick with me a little bit longer, okay? So then when you go to the bridge, you can either play it, okay? You're just gonna do the same thing. You're just gonna do C, I know how it sounds, but I don't care, no, I know. So you're gonna do C before I, C, then you're gonna go, I know how is G, how it sounds is F, okay? And if you want, you can play it like that. I wouldn't. I would play this, or I would do it much softer strumming. Okay, just like that. Okay, so you're just playing it softer there. So you're just gonna do C, G, F, and you're gonna do C is before you say anything. C, okay? I know how it sounds, but I don't care, no. I know how it sounds. Okay, and you're just gonna repeat that 4 times and just do that, okay? And then that's it. That's the whole song. You're just gonna go back into the chorus. That's it for the whole song. It's just super easy. I'm needy. Okay, just like that. Anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions or if there's other songs you want to learn or anything. It's been fun, and I'll see you next time.